Hello everyone, today I will introduce our newly built system on idea system. The main function of the system to support idea posting and idea management. Now let's start now. When user open the idea system website, the login file will be displayed like this. User must log in to be able to access to the system. Our system will support three roles of user and staff QA coordinator and QA manager. So we will start with the staff account. Now we will enter the email and password of staff account and click login button. After successfully logging in with staff account, the home page will be displayed like this. As we can see, at the top of the home page is a tab frame that displays a list of idea statistics, such as top idea with the most likes and top idea with the most views and top latest idea. Of course, we can see the detailed content of these ideas by clicking on them. And the section below is a list of all ideas in the system sorted by class post day. User can view ideas details by clicking on them. Like that, we can click on any idea. It will show the idea detail information. Here we can see. Now we go to the next tab, is the task. This tab will display on the tasks posted by the QA manager. For tasks that have expired to post ideas, user will not allow to add ideas. But if there is still time for comments, user can still comment on that post. After task will show a plus icon in the right corner like this, and we can click here to add new ideas. For example, the employee recognize program. Employee recognize program. And here's and we can see this task has expired to submit ideas and expired comments. When clicking on the task name, the list of ideas of this task will be displayed like this, and we can click to read more to see task detail, to see the idea details. And we can see because the comment has expired, the comment box will not be displayed. Back to the task page. For example, with tab mentoring programs, and we can see this task has expired time to submit ideas, but still has a time deadline or it still has a comment deadline. User can still comment on this article. You can click to read more. In this way, user can comment in public or anonymous mode. For example, to the public mode and private mode or anonymous mode. Then like this. Of course, you can also delete your own comment by clicking the remove button. And on the idea detail page, in addition to commenting, users can thumbs up or thumbs down the idea like this, twice and dislike. Okay. Now we will back to the task. For the active tab, user can add new ideas by clicking the plus icon to add a new idea for this task. When you click on the plus button, it will display a idea form like this. On the top form, we can choose the most of the idea is public or anonymous. For example, this is anonymous mouse and this is public mouse. This must enter the title of idea here and enter the content of the idea. And then we can upload the document to support for our idea. click and choose a document that support for you. For example, I will upload tutor online document. It will display document in here, and you must agree with the terms and conditions of the company and click Box to create new idea. It will render to your profile face and display on the ideas you are posted on the system, and the last idea you post will display on the top of the page like this. In the profile tab, you can see on the idea you posted to the system, and you can view the detailed idea by clicking the read more button like this. For example, when you clicking the first ideas will display the detailed information of this, and you can click on the button in the right corner of the idea to select, edit or remove the idea. For example, I to edit the button, it will display the edit idea form, and you can change any information about your idea. For example, I want to upload a new file for this idea. I choose an data set and upload. It will display and click Browse. It will back to the view idea detail, and we can see it updated the new file you uploaded. And our ID system also support users to receive notification if any user comment on your idea. It will send the notification to the user. For example, when you click on the notification button, it will display the notification about user have commented on your post like this. Now we will log into the system by QA coordinator account. Enter email and password and click login button. It will display home page as a staff account, but in the sidebar it will have a new tab. It's a dashboard. In this tab, it will display status about department of user account. For example, user account is QA coordinator of department A, and it will display statistics of department A. The first is total users of department A, and the second is the idea that I posted. Total ideas I posted to the system of staff in department A, and the next is total ideas have contributed by staff of department A today, and below is a user list of department A. User QA coordinator can follow and can encourage her or his staff to contribute the idea to these statistics. In addition, QA coordinator also can receive the notification when if any staff in this department posts any new idea. Like this, click on the notification button, it will display the notification about the staff has posted new idea. And we can see this is all the functions of provided for QA coordinator.
Now we are moving to the admin phase, but first we have to sign in by QA manager permission account. Okay, this is the admin phase. We include three tabs: e-talk, ideas, and user list. The first tab, e-talk, including six columns, is subject, description, start date, end date, ideas end date, and create by. Below this column is data corresponding to this column. We can add new tag when we click this button, and the correct form will be displayed. In this form, we don't need to create it by a field because the system will save username automatically by token when users stay logged in. If user hits the confirm button when the fields are blanking, the errors will be appear below each column to help user know and correct the problems. As we see that the errors appear below each column, so we need to correct it by filling fully the fields. Now we create a test tag to check that we can add this successfully. The test tag was created by me, so the create by field has my name. To check it again, we add new more tag named test2. We've seen that the test2 was created completely. In the next step, I will create a new tag to check the update function. The subject name is creativity at work. The ID and date is on June 1st, 2023. The start date at May 18, 2023, and the end date is May 31, 2023. The description is description. Okay, we created successfully. So now we test the short function. That's right. We created to the at work. Okay, this here. Now we scroll down. We can see that Robert's phase is 10, and we next to the next phase is 1. Okay. The next is update function. As you see that the data is correct. Now we will check the validation is work or not. Okay, the validation works so good. Now we will turn this for the new subject is creativity at work for the beginners, and the description is describe your ideas. And we confirm it. So you will see that the data will update completely. And now I will update the IDs and date on June 17. The update is correct. At this time, I want to delete the test2, so I click the trust button next to it. The pop-up form will display, and if you don't want to delete, you can click close. And if you want to remove, you want to click confirm. I will check the test2 right now if it exists or not. Okay, no result found. And I will remove the test too. I was just created an idea for creativity at work for beginner subjects to prevent delete this tag if it exceeds an idea. And now we try this. If we click confirm, the prevent confirmation will display like this. So now we move to the next step is ideas. We can click this to switch to the ID phase. In this phase include this column and the on data was added by user have account stop. You can view it when you click to the view button. And we have to filter its document and content. All the data is correct. Now we will view the order. Okay, it's correct. Now I'm scrolling down to delete an idea I just added. Click to the trust button and confirm it. Okay, we delete successfully. Now we are moving to the last step. In this phase, have on the accounts in the database. It includes 5 columns: age, name, email, position, gender, and department. This phase has the same function as the first phase. So the first function we will try is create new user. Click this button to the form display. In this form includes 6 fields: our name, password, email, gender, department, and permission. The first we try is for the validation, so hit the confirm button to display the error. This error display below the fields is correct. Now I create username is Nguyễn Võ is me and the password is 123. The gender is male. Permission is staff and the department is B. Department B. So the password error is passwords must be greater than 6. So I fix it to the 6. And the email just went for. The invalid email will display if you don't have the correct email, so I will correct it to the email type. Okay, we add successfully. And next we will try the update. As you see, the on data is correct, so now I will check the validation if it's the same like F1 function. The field is quiet. Next I will check the invalid error. The error is correct. And I will change to the order email. Okay, the update is successful. And the last function is delete. I will delete this person. So click to the trust button to delete it. It's done. The overall about our system is ended. So thank you all for listening and watching. It's our pleasure.